Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a swap hosted by Janai. She is Happy Mail Obsessed here on YouTube. I will have her linked below. Well, I'm doing a voiceover, and this voiceover is actually being done after I post my incoming swap, so I didn't have any time to do a voiceover on this video. And excuse my voice, I have been sick lately, and so I'm just trying to get this out. So here I have an album, a mini album that I'm sending. I also am sending a 15 days of socks advent calendar to my partner, as well as a handmade card. A lot of these projects you've already seen, and as though you have seen them already, they were created especially for my partner. So I did also add a flip book with tags in it. I also added an embellishment book, which is a present box and, well, a present flip book. I'm also adding an ornament. There were several lists that Janai had us add, and so one of them was an ornament. And she didn't want us to send vastly sized boxes, so I literally took that into consideration and tried my best to stick with the list. Next time I will do that because my partner sent a lot more than the list pertained. But I also included some charms. I also included a memory dex card that I made. I absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite memory dex cards. The charms came from Amazon, so you can find them there. Um, a lot of the things that I have made are made with ScrapDiva Designs dies. I'm also including some goodies from Michaels, some stickers, and yeah, some 3D stickers as well. Everything from Michaels, and yeah, some a little paper pad. I'm using the Snowflake collection. I thought this one went well with that collection since it is retired now. And so you can't find Snowflake anymore, but it is my absolute favorite um, collection to craft with. I'm also including this coffee maker that I made with ScrapDiva Designs dies, and I'm including some chocolates in it, and they're just Santa chocolates. And the cup, I just love the cup. The cup is a SVG file. It looks like a store-bought one, but it's an SVG file. Yeah, I love how this one turned out. So yeah, uh, Snowflake is one of my favorite collections over Snow and Cocoa. So since they are both retired, I will probably be picking a new one very soon. I also included this pillow box full of flowers, and I hope she loved those flowers because it took so much time to make those. And I did make them myself and added some flower stamens to the middle of them. You can pick those up from Amazon. I was having difficulty getting into the box, so I had to grab my tweezers. So here are them. They're some pink and white flowers. I thought that the white went with the winter, and I love pink. As always, I always include pink in my projects. I included that pillow box in this bag here. I'm not sure where that bag came from. It was gifted to me. I know it's a Daiso bag. There's two people who gifted me Daiso bags, but I don't want to say who because I'm not sure which one. But that is it. That concludes the video. I will show you how I packaged everything up. And you don't see me put the advent calendar on here because I put it on top of the box. Since the box was too small for the advent calendar, it had to go on top. So I taped it to the top, wrapped it with tape, and it went off. And so I'm also including some trim here that I picked up from Joann's and including that in a little baggie. So this is my outgoing swap. I hope you guys enjoy that. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.